It is one of Nairobi's upmarket areas, dotted with posh homes and flashy cars. But underneath this abundance was something few expected to find: a maize farm thriving with bang plants. About 300 bushes ready for harvest. Area residents say the caretaker of this 1 acre land has been tasked to take care of it. He also plants food crops, but apparently found another use for the land.
Mimi nasema kweli yenyewe nimekosa na kutenda kosa si kurudia kosa kweli. Sitawahi tena fanya vitu kama hizi na mnisamehe. Hivyo ndivyo tunaweza sema juu sina mbele wala nyuma.
Dagoretti DCIO Joseph Ondoro says police officers stumbled on the farm as they patrolled the area.
Somebody had kept some metals in this compound, so he wanted, for safekeeping that is, so he wanted this gentleman to release the metals to him. So when the person came, this gentleman refused to give the metals, prompting him to go to Mudangari police and make a formal complaint there. So when the police came, is when they bumped into this cannabis sativa.
Police also recovered half a kilo of seeds which the man says were to be planted soon. They also seized a bag of fertilizer, also suspected to be used for the marijuana farming.
At the market value, it might be something like 1.5. Yeah, 1.5 million. Because it is scattered all over this plot.
And in Roiro, police arrested one suspect who was ferrying 362 stones of bang while his 2 accomplices escaped. The arrest happened when the car they were traveling in got involved in a head-on collision with a truck. The vehicle was speeding as the 3 attempted to lose a police vehicle that was trailing them.
Wakafuka hii waya unaona hapo, wakakibishana na hawa wakiwa watatu, walikuwa watatu. Nafikiri mmoja amekamatwa sababu alikuwa ameumia kidogo.
The driver was seriously injured and could not run from the accident scene. Michael Njenga for Sunday Live.